Hey, I'm Olivia. Be the center of attention and stay true to the season with this evergreen look. I'm using Mary Kay Chromafusion eyeshadow in the shades Emerald Noir, Hot Fudge, and Sandcastle. I'm also using Mary Kay liquid eyeshadow in the shade Meteor Shower. First, you add Emerald Noir to the base and lower lashes. Then Hot Fudge to your crease. You then switch to Meteor Shower for the middle of the eyelid. And finish it off with Sandcastle on your upper brow bone. Ending with a natural soft lip. You start with the TimeWise Age-Fighting Lip Primer, then the Mary Kay Lip Liner in Deep Nude, and lastly, Mary Kay Gel Semi-Matte Lipstick in Bashful You. And there you have it, the perfect look for the season. If you want to learn how to do this look yourself, click right here for details, and happy holidays.